Hello friends, welcome to Stock Business News. Friends, this is the continuation for COVID vaccine chain companies. Already I explained three companies in this previous video, and further going, still we have two more companies which will benefit for COVID vaccine chain, and which they are Gland Pharma. Friends, yes, really what you heard is Gland Pharma. Why means Gland Pharma, fastest growing global purely play injectable company. It has huge manufacturing and distribution funnel in injectables. So friends, it has a chain over 60 countries across 5 continents, including US, Europe, Canada, Australia, India. And India, it has 17% as past details, and remaining rest will be throughout the world. And its generation of revenue in that area, it will increase that area now, and after its IPO also so much of demand occurred. And friends, it's having not only injectables, it also provides some API formulations and other businesses also. And friends, we see they have so many products in this Gland Pharma. They provide throughout the world. And friends, that's why we are taking this as a good company. They provide anti-malarials, anti-infectives, anti neoplastics, blood platelets, cardiac, gastrointestinal, neuros, and hormones, like this respiratory, vitamin, minerals, and nutrients. This is also very good sold thing in during lockdown and now also. And friends, that's why we picked this share also. And going further, this share present 2400 and like that I think, and nearby it will reach 3000. And so friends, going forward, Snowman Logistics. Friends, you all are entered into Snowman Logistics around 60 or 65, 70 I think. But friends, now entering into Snowman Logistics is very good. At 60 rupees, it is showing buying interest by the investors. Why? Because recently Adani exited from this company by selling all over its stack. Why? Because there is a deal between Adani and Snowman Logistics last year to buy this company as a minority stakeholder of Adani Logistics. But during COVID time, uncertainty between the companies, Adani Logistics won't buy the remaining stake of the company at on March in times of March. There is a lockdown and all the things. That's why Adani and Snowman Logistics concluded their deal, and they came out of this company. So the deal, as per deal, they came out of Snowman Logistics. There is nothing about bad on this company. That's why entering now is very good on Snowman Logistics, and it is at a cheap price. I think 60 rupees is okay. And going further, Snowman Logistics is the leading integrated temperature controlled logistics service provider in Pan India, and it has 25 years of experience and trust and credibility in pharmaceutical sector, and across cold chain. And friends, this company is India's leading cold chain logistics company. There are so many companies which provide logistics, but friends, as my view, Snowman Logistics partnered with SpiceJet to supply COVID vaccine. If there is a chain of partnerships, that companies will benefit more among others. That's why I pick Snowman Logistics. And friends, if you see Snowman Logistics detailed video also I posted in our channel, and it has a warehouse, cool warehouse, and distribution channels, good infrastructure, and software on its supply of vehicles. So friends, going further, another company is Blue Dot. Friends, Blue Dot also one of the company. Why we expect this means to supply COVID vaccine itself. They are looking somewhat. You know that this company is subsidiary of DHL. DHL invested huge amount on cold flights also. They are also looking to give their best on these difficult times to provide what you said, uh, transportation of the COVID. And friends, Blue Dot already announced their charges for transport and all the things has increased 9%. So we can expect the revenue will increase from this quarter onwards, from January 1st. From compared to last quarter, this quarter they will charge more. So Q4 results will be extraordinary in Blue Dot. So I already mentioned in my videos Blue Dot, and already it increased from there onwards. Still we can expect a good revenue generation going further in coming days on COVID vaccine chain and everything. So friends, by looking a picture, you come to know that in every area you are going to see the tires of vehicles. That is also one of the main thing we have to see, and main component also in tire manufacturers. So we think SBI already picked 10%, 10% of stack in Birla Tires, and it moved from 20 rupees to 40 rupees, and after profit booking and consolidation it is present at 30 rupees like that. Friends, I already said small value, small caps, mid caps, these companies will give good benefit on long run. And friends, I am expecting government said they are restricted tires in to import from other countries, and it also benefit this Birla Tires to give good generation of good revenue generation. So on order preferences, the stocks we have to pick are SRF, Amber Enterprises, and Borosil Glass, Gland Pharma, and Snowman Logistics, Blue Dot, and last and finally what you called Birla Tires. So friends, this is my view on COVID vaccine chain stocks, and particularly one thing is beat on SRF 10,000 rupees target, and Amber Enterprises 5,000 4,000 rupees target, and Borosil Limited 350 rupees as target, and Gland Pharma 3,200 as target, and Snowman Logistics 100 rupees as target, and Blue Dot we can expect 30% from now onwards, and from Birla Tires we can expect 50 to 60 in nearby terms. So friends, thank you very much from subscribing my channel. Please subscribe my channel, share my channel if you like my analysis and everything. So thank you very much.